Okay, so we're looking at number 3 of the programming extensions, which is to continue the game when the player hits the M button. When you hit M, return to the main menu. Okay, so let's have a look at this. This is a really nice, easy bit of code changing. So currently, when you play the game, when you hit M, you exit the game. Where is it? Move direction equals M. Out you come from this loop. Okay, and we've got this from the previous test, previous extension, we return true if true that we've exited the game before it finished, if the user hit M. So this returns true as before when they hit M, and all you need to do now is add another option. So in the display menu, if the game was exited prematurely, then output 5 continue game. Okay, so the user will see that if they've hit M and left the game before it finished. And in this main loop, sort of playing a game and then finishing the game and playing another one until you hit 9 to exit. While choice is not equal to 9 there. So here, if the game's not exited, then we just continue playing the game. So here, previously, well, we can't see it now, but very originally, the game object was instantiated within each of these blocks with a dim, and so therefore it would have been destroyed when you looped back round. So what we've got is they've played a game, maybe a normal game or a training game, or they loaded from a file and played the game and exited, and then come down here back to the beginning, and the user then says, I'd like to continue. So hit 5 and comes down here. Game wasn't exited because it was output as true in the previous iteration. Sorry, it was exited, and so it drops into this bit, and rather than instantiating, so setting it all up again from fresh and setting up the player position, etc., either randomly, sorry, not the player position, but monster and flask and traps randomly, or loaded. But this time we don't do any of that. We just go straight into mygame.play, and you just continue from where you left off. So quite a nice simple one, that. So just those two code changes, adding the option into the menu and actually writing something here to continue the game. And notice there's a helpful message here. If the game wasn't exited, they won't see 5 as an option. But in case they do hit 5, then it'll come through here if the game had finished because the player had hit a flask or a trap, or rather the monster had eaten them, then they would see this message, there is no game to continue. So it's going to loop back round, and they're going to have to type in an option to start a new game. So that's that for number 3.